What's up, YouTube? It's your favorite math teacher and Tommy. Say hi, Tommy.
Oh, hi guys, how's it going? How's it going?
We're actually here today for you guys to learn a little bit about graphing inequalities. So again, this is not going to be solving inequalities, Tommy. That's that video.
Yeah, the one up there. Yeah, do it.
Yeah, that's if you need help with that. But don't forget, subscribe.
Yeah, subscribe.
And later today, Tommy and I, at 4 o'clock, right, buddy?
Yeah, whore. Yeah,
We're going to be live here giving away free stuff, right?
yeah, and it'll be cool. It'll hangout time. Yeah, yeah.
You're ridiculous. So, forgot to open up the drawing app.
Hey, what's Among Us?
Among Us is a game people play. It's pretty fun. We're not going to play Among Us right
Oh, okay.
now. So, you ready for this?
Yeah, let's do it. Do it. Do it.
All right, here we go. So, we're going to do the basics right now. So, to help you understand graphing inequalities, right? Because a lot of times graphing inequalities just gives you an idea of what exactly numbers are included. Okay, so normally you'd have some inequality that might look like this, right?
Yeah.
And we'd solve it and we'd get some answer. Okay, well, we're going to talk about what happens when you have the answer. Okay, usually when you're graphing, you have a number line. All right, so we'll say, for example, we found out that x is less than 3. Okay, we'll do 13. X is less than 13. So give me an example of a number that would work.
10.
10 would work.
0.
A 0. All of those are great. But you have to understand that it goes way beyond that. That includes negative numbers. Negative 10,000 is included in this.
What? Wow.
Yeah, but if you think about it, that's how it works. That's how inequalities work, because there are infinite amount of answers based on this. So what you would do is you create a number line. And generally what I do is I will create a number line that goes one above or one below what this number is. Okay, so in this case, I'm going to go 14. So I'm going to make this 14. Okay, and then I'm going to end up creating a number line. You've seen number lines before, right, Tommy?
Yeah.
Okay. And I'm going to stop. You don't have to go on too crazy, right? Nothing too far. All right. Well, you're going to look at 13, this number right here. The number they give you is the number you need. And stick with me because there's going to be 4 different things you're going to need to look at to help you out. Okay. So this is where we start. So I need to start at 13. Okay. Now, this next symbol is the part I look at. So again, the first thing you look at is the number, and then you look at the symbol. Okay? And this is the less than symbol, right? We talked about every number less than that. Okay? But there are 2 things you need to look at when you look at that symbol. Okay? That tells you which direction the numbers need to go.
Direction. Okay.
I'm going to use a different color so we can see this. Generally, like if you notice this less than symbol, kind of looks like the arrow is pointing that way.
Oh, yeah, I see it.
That shows me that all the numbers on the number line that way are included. So I'm going to draw a line that goes that way starting at 13, okay? And basically that's your first start. But we have to figure out what we put on 13, okay? So is 13 included in this? Meaning, is 13 less than 13?
Oh, no, that's silly.
Exactly. Because 13 is not included, we put what's called an open circle like this because 13 is not included. So this graph right here basically tells us on this number line that every single number below 13 is in this, but not 13 itself because it's an open circle.
Huh, interesting. So wait, what if it's less than or equal to?
Great question. So I'm going to add that. What if it's less than or equal to? What do you think the only difference is?
Well, 13 is included, so do you do you fill in the circle?
You do. You fill in a circle. So that's the only difference. That's the big thing. So there's 2 things you need to get from this. One, if it's less than, right? You draw an arrow pointing to all those numbers less than that number. And then if it's less than or equal to, you fill in a circle.
Oh, okay. Let's see another one. Okay.
All right, let's try another one. Let's do if it was greater than. So let's do y is greater than 3. Okay, so I'm going to draw my number line. And what was my rule?
Pick a number that is less than, like, or one away.
Good, pick a number that's 1 away. Now notice this is greater than. So this is the opposite. This is where all the numbers aren't going to go left, but notice the arrow. It's almost like all the numbers are going right.
Oh, yeah, greater than. Get it.
So I'm going to start with 2 on that number line. So I'm going to do 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It doesn't really matter how far you go, as long as, you get the point of the numbers that are included, right? Because 10 billion is included. All the numbers that are greater than 3 are included.
Yeah, yeah, okay.
All right, so now, do I put an open circle or a closed circle, Tommy?
Uh, well, open circle, because it's not included.
Exactly. So I'm going to put an open circle on 3, and then I'm going to draw a line to the right, and that right there is graphing it. What if it was greater than or equal to?
Then you'd have to close it. Close circle.
Exactly, a closed circle. And there you go. You got the first basic ones.
Wow, that's kind of interesting.
Right. Then here's the curveball. Stick with me. This is the hard part. Sometimes you'll get an inequality that looks like this. 5 is less than x. Or sorry, x is, yeah, but greater than, pick a number.
Let's see. 9. Can I do that?
I mean, you can try that. Here, we'll do it this way. This will make more sense. So, you said 9?
Yeah, 9.
Okay. So notice, this is a type of inequality that does happen. So 5, right? X is greater than 5, but less than 9. Do you see how that works?
Yeah, so how do we do that?
Same thing, and I want to show you. So the difference is now there is a solidified ending for this, meaning that it doesn't go on forever, right? Because our x that we're graphing starts at, I'm going to go one below, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then we'll go 10. Okay? So, is 5 included?
No.
So I'm going to put a circle. Let's change the color. Change the color. Change the color. You're right. All right, so I'm going to put an open circle on 5, right? Where else do you think I'm going to put an open circle?
Oh, a 9.
On 9, you're absolutely right. Now notice, all of the numbers in here are included. I know you can barely see that line, but all the numbers are here included. So this one isn't an arrow, right? But 6 is an answer to this. So is 6.5. All of those satisfy this inequality that says that there are x's between 5 and 9.
Oh.
And if this was less than or equal to,
Oh, then you just fill in the 9.
exactly, then you just fill in the 9. So you get graphs like that. Those are things that'll happen as well.
Interesting. Okay.
So a lot of times this is graphing inequalities. This is what you guys will see. I hope that helps. Don't forget we're going to be in the live at 4 hanging out with everybody.
Yeah, so be there, okay? I hope this helped, guys.
I hope it helped too. So this is graphing inequalities. You guys have a good day. Good luck.
See ya.